Hi, my name is Linda Fussell, and I am the head of the lower school at Dwight School, Dubai. For more educational videos, please subscribe. If you have any thoughts or suggestions, please leave them below. Thank you. I'm here to talk to you today about raising a reader and the importance of the home environment. And what a lot of parents will ask us in the education field is, what can we do? First of all, a lot of people don't realize that oral language and literacy starts in the home, and it's all about the quality and quantity of talking you do with your child. What do I mean by that? First of all, in the 1990s, a seminal piece of work came out, and it talked all about how the number of words that families spoke in the home directly impacted the trajectory and the predictors for literacy success in school. And this piece of work, it was by Hart and Risley, and it became world famous, and a lot of educators subscribe to this research and this notion that the more you talk, the better off your child will be in starting reading readiness skills in school. And what we've learned from recent research, particularly by Meredith Rowe out of Harvard, is that students and children need to have rich, quality conversations. So it's not necessarily the abundance of words that you use in the home, but the conversation quality. And what do I mean by that? I mean the back and forth conversational turns. A conversational turn is when you say something and a child responds. You ask a question and a child responds. It's really important for children to feel validated, and when they're curious, to have someone say, well, tell me more, or to talk about experiences. You can ask about past experience that children have had, but you can also talk about something that's coming up and something that's important and related to their lives. These conversational turns have a direct impact on vocabulary and oral language development. And what does that mean from a practical point of view? When students get into the classroom, if they've had lots of quality give and take conversations, they have this natural ability to access literacy skills. So those are my suggestions. Make sure that you take turns, that you really tune in to your child and what your child is saying, and that you talk more quality conversations. Thank you.